Hello everyone, myself Akshay. Today I will discuss with you on the topic of blood group. So there are four main types of blood groups, that is A, B, AB and O. So talking about blood groups, the blood group which we are obtained is the one which we inherit, that the genes which are inherited by us from our parents. So each group can either be Rhd positive or Rhd negative, that is rhesus factor. So due to this, the blood groups are divided into 8 parts, or the 8 different types of blood groups can be obtained. So these are A positive, A negative, B positive, B negative, AB positive, AB negative and O positive and O negative. In the 19th century, one of the scientists discovered the ABO blood grouping system. The name of the scientist is Karl Landsteiner. He is the one who described the antigens on the surface of the RBCs, that is A, B or AB, which are marker on RBCs, the antigen specificity on carbohydrate, the sequence of oligosaccharide determine whether the antigen is A, B, AB or H. Now talking about the four basic components or four basic blood groups, that is A, B, AB and O. So starting from A, blood group A, it is the group which consists antibodies B with the presence of antigen A. This blood group is named as A because of the presence of antigen A, but the antibodies which they exist or they contain is the antibody B. Talking about blood group B, it carries the antigen B, that's why it is named as blood group B, which has the antibodies A. Then talking about AB blood group, in this blood group antibodies are absent but both the antigens are present, that is A and B. And lastly, talking about the O blood group, this blood group contains antibodies only but they lack antigens in them. Now talking about Rh blood group, that is rhesus blood group. The Rh blood group is one of the most complex blood group. In this, antigen specificity on the protein is the sequence of amino acid determine the specificity and most of the pH or Rh antigen. Rh blood grouping is the common blood grouping in all the human systems, as Rh blood group determines the blood group as positive or negative. Talking about the H antigen, which is present in each and every human being, which is like deactivated or it is in unmodified or natural form, where it gets bind with the sugar or sugar molecule, in which it gets modified and gets activated to form antigens. So these H cells, which we called as precursor cells, these are the cells which gets modified with the help of sugar molecules, and in this reaction they form the antigens. Like if you take example, the precursor cells in each and every human being gets reacted with one of the sugar, that is fucose, so that it could form H antigen. Now this H antigen is one of the mostly used antigen in order to obtain the another blood grouping system's antigen, that is H antigen is getting reacted with one of the sugar molecules, that is D-galactose, which in turns or helps in formation of B antigen. Like the D-galactose sugar gets reacted or gets catalyzed with the H antigen in order to form B antigen. Now for talking about the formation of A antigen, H antigen gets reacted with N-acetyl glucosamine transferase. It is one of the sugars in which it gets reacted and forms A antigen. Likewise, the formation of AB antigen is H antigen gets reacted with both the sugar molecules, that is D-galactose as well as N-acetyl glucosamine transferase, in order to form AB antigen. Thus, H antigen is also called as O blood group, which is one of the blood group present in every human, but it is in unmodified or deactivated form. Thank you.